Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a makeup look today, probably very fall inspired, but I do want to show you guys just like a bunch of products that you know, could give you guys an idea for the Sephora savings event that's coming up soon. So these are the key dates and details for the Sephora savings event, which I'll also have in my description box if you guys want to check that out as well. These two holiday sets in particular, I feel like you guys have got to snag up. These are both by Beauty. This one is the Bright On holiday set. Comes with their Bright and Tight eye cream and their face glaze, which you guys know this face glaze is pretty much like one of my favorite primers ever. Then they have their Glaze for Days holiday lip glaze set. So they have candy apple, vanilla mint, the new cinnamon bun color, which I'm pretty sure that's like the color that I'm gonna use today. And then they have Merlot, which is kind of like a wine color. It's really gorgeous. If you really suck at gift giving like me, I suggest getting some holiday sets from Sephora because it's just so easy. Alrighty, so I'm gonna use their eye cream first. Oh, hello puppy. So my bed is like right here, and Smokey is sleeping literally right next to me. He's such a mama's boy. He does not leave me alone, ever. Like, I'm telling you, doesn't matter how many times I go in and out of one room, he will follow me. Use their eye cream. Just a little bit of this goes a very long way. But it is so freaking nice under the eyes, especially if you really have trouble with dark circles or even just like wrinkles. It's just like, it's so moisturizing and so brightening. I love it. Next up, just the best kind of primer in my opinion. It is amazing. It's their face glaze. I feel like I've used this for probably 2 years now. Like, consistency is just so smooth, so moisturizing, and it gives me such a glow. If I were just to wear no makeup, I would feel still so confident in my skin. And especially because this has really nice skincare ingredients, so it's just like literally all around such a good face product. I've been obsessed with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I feel like I took a break from using this for a while, and I really don't know why. Charlotte Tilbury really did an amazing job with this product. Guys, I got my nails like so short. These are my natural nails. And yeah, they feel so mature on me. Like, I feel like I'm finally growing up, you know? And I'm kind of loving the look. I feel like I'm in this different era of my life where I've just been growing up a lot, and I'm just really trying to change up my look a little bit. I'm trying to like get more of a clean girl aesthetic. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little bit of this CC Plus. This is pretty much just like a foundation. It's by It Cosmetics. You guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm gonna use like a little bit of this just to give myself a little bit more coverage. Yeah, I'm just using a brush for this. I feel like using brushes, especially with the right products though, you know what I'm saying? It does give your skin like really good coverage. Since I prepped my skin so well and used really good products that just give me that glow from within kind of look instead of just straight on glitter and highlighter on my face, this is what my skin looks like after. I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario bronzer stick. I posted an Instagram reel not too long ago, and so many people were asking me about this brush. This is a Charlotte Tilbury brush, actually. This is their Hollywood complexion brush. I like using this for like cream bronzer. And I'm trying to be like really light-handed with this because it's pretty intense. Put some on my forehead. I feel like the forehead looks so weird if I don't have any sort of color or dimension. Like, if I just left it with only foundation, it would look just not it. So I have used Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Light Wands before, but I haven't used this specific shade before, and I've been obsessed with it. The shade is so pretty. So I'm gonna put like a good amount on my cheeks. And then like a little bit on my nose. I feel like especially for the fall time, a super Barbie doll pink blush isn't necessarily the vibe. So something a little bit more like rosy kind of looks better in my opinion. But I love the baby doll pink blush kind of look, and that's what I was doing literally all summer long. It's all about this. Smokey, I love that you are having the best sleep of your life, but I feel like you're being a little loud right now with your snoring, okay? So sorry if you guys can hear my dog. He's just so tired all the time. He loves to sleep. I think it's the cutest thing ever. Also, I'm like, dude, you are living so rent-free. So don't mind how absolutely insane it looks right now, because we're gonna like really try to balance it out with some concealer. And the reason why I did the blush first instead of after is because I feel like it kind of does blend it a little better when I put on my concealer after. It kind of just melts everything together. I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 0.26 Cafe con Leche. I've been obsessed with the NARS concealers. I don't know why, but for a while I did not like them and I never got the hype of them, but recently I'm just like, these, oh my god, it's the best concealer, like in my opinion. I think it looks so smooth and just so, it's so creamy. That's why it's called the Radiant Creamy Concealer, you know? Gosh, so this is a Real Techniques sponge and it literally feels so soft. You guys trusted the process. You know, it just looks like beautiful and blended. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more, just a little bit. So now the One Size translucent powder. So this is a brand new One Size powder. You guys get to witness like a little bit of ASMR. I just scared my dog. Sorry. I feel like I usually go between the Huda Beauty powder, like the loose powder, and the One Size powder. I haven't necessarily used the One Size powder in a minute, but as you can see, it's amazing. I don't know if you guys can like tell, but I swear the face glaze, even though I've set like my face with powder and stuff, it still shines through. Like it still gives my face that glow from within kind of look. I feel like I usually use the Anastasia Brow Freeze. Today I'm actually going to fill in my eyebrows like very lightly. I feel like my eyebrows don't need too much, but I am just kind of perfecting them and giving it a little bit more structured shape. Like a lot of people ask me like what I do for my brows, like in terms of maintenance, but I literally just pluck them myself. I don't know. I don't really like trust anyone to do my eyebrows. Any hoodly do. I'm going to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow, and I'm just using the NARS concealer. Rare Beauty really is that makeup brand. Specifically, I have been obsessed with their brow gel. It is one of those brow gels that just tell is really sticking your brows into place. Like, oh, this is always my least favorite part. I hate doing my eyes. I'm gonna do it for you guys today because this is supposed to be a fall makeup look, and I want to use this Anastasia sultry mini like eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It kind of looks a little bit more on the cool toned side. Now that I have that like initial shade down, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Hoola bronzer and really blend out those edges. Now I'm gonna take this middle shimmery shade and just put it on my fingertip and apply that all over my lid. Okay, honestly, this makes putting eyeshadow so much easier having shorter nails, because like I wasn't able to do that with long nails. And then now I'm gonna use the lightest shimmery shade in the palette and just put a little bit on the inner. That is really bright. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna take this black shade. Just gonna do like a little wing. So I applied mascara. I also put on these like lash clusters. I'm pretty sure they're usually used for lash extensions. I pretty much just started from like the center of my eye and then like worked my way out. These are by Kiss, and they're the Mascara lash extensions, I guess. So I'm gonna move on to my lips. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in the shade Iconic Nude. I'm gonna move on to the finishing touch, which is one of these lip glazes. I think I need to, like, I absolutely have to go with this. If you guys have any of their lip glazes, you know that they match up the lip oil's scent to what it's called. And I haven't tried this yet. Like, this is their newest lip glaze and it's cinnamon bun. Let's see what this smells like. Oh my God. That smells like the best smelling candle I think I've ever smelled in my entire life. The epitome of a fall holiday candle. This is what it smells like. If you guys are gonna get anything for anyone or for yourself, it's this lip glaze right here. Cinnamon bun. Oh my God. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna try this on because we're done. I mean, can we just, this is gonna be my new favorite lip combo ever. Do you see how juicy my lips look right now? This is the makeup look. I am super happy with how it came out. Like, it couldn't have come out any better, honestly. So I'll have everything down in the description box that you guys need to know of, everything that I use. All the details are gonna be down below. Don't forget, the Sephora Savings event is coming right up. So go check that out either online or in store. You gotta pick up your M Beauty project. This makeup look would not have turned out the same without these products. Like, that's all I can say. That's all I got, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.